Okay, we just got here. Want to show you how we open up the unit. Muffy's already down, running around. This couch comes out into an L shape. Okay, here we are. We're sliding out. I don't think we'll have enough time to show how the back slides out. Okay, this is sliding out. This is all the junk that we stack up. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, I'm sliding out the bathroom. Can't really see. Sliding out the bedroom. You want to pull the couch out, honey? Okay. It's all slid out. We put everything on the bed because it will not fall off, including me. So, here's the bedroom. Here's the bathroom all slid out. Okay, I think you get the gist.